Welcome to this short tutorial video for sections 5 through to completion of the PSR application form for primary care GP services, your tender reference 90551 on behalf of North Yorkshire Council. Part 3, section 5 is looking at economic and financial standing. You'll be asked to provide documentary evidence of economic and financial standing if it's available electronically. For example, if you are a limited company or a registered charity, you may file your accounts at Companies House or at the Charities Commission. If you do have electronic copies available, please input the details as requested here. If documentary evidence of economic and financial standing is not available electronically, you can provide a copy of your detailed accounts for the last 2 years. If your organisation is required to have audited accounts, it should be the audited copies of accounts that you upload. If you're not able to provide a response to questions either 5.1 or 5.2, there are some alternatives that you can upload, and these are listed at 5.3a and 5.3b. At question 5.4, you'll be asked to confirm your insurances. You're asked to confirm whether you already have or can commit to obtain prior to the commencement of the contract the levels of insurance that are indicated in the box here. Employer's liability insurance 10 million, public liability insurance 10 million, medical malpractice insurance of 10 million and non-medical professional negligence of 5 million. And these are yes/no boxes. Question number 5.5 is looking at the details of the technical facilities and measures, including systems and processes that you either have in place now or will have in place by contract award to ensure that your organisation can be fully compliant with the General Data Protection Regulations, GDPR. You'll be asked to write a narrative response to the question that is listed above. Section 6 is looking at your technical and professional ability. And you'll be required at 6.1 to confirm that your organisation can meet the requirements of the specification as set out in volume 1A, B or C in line with the services that you are applying for, and that's on a yes or no basis. Section 7 also continues with technical and professional ability, but please note this is for sexual health services and illicit drug treatment shared care service only. 7.1 is a yes/no answer, and you are asked to confirm if your most recent CQC rating was good or above. And 7.2 actually asks for further details if your CQC rating requires improvement around what measures you currently have in place to improve. Please note that the next question is specific to the service, so providers are only required to respond to the question if they're applying for the named service. In this case, it's sexual health services. If you are, you're asked to confirm that all clinicians delivering sexual health services hold the FSRH or LOC IUT and or FSRH LOC SDI. And that's a yes or no answer. For NHS health checks only, there is a section 8 on technical and professional ability, and you're asked to confirm if your most recent CQC rating was good or above, and if it requires improvement, you are asked to detail further information in the response box here. You are also asked to confirm that all employees delivering the service hold an up-to-date care certificate. Once you've answered all those questions, you then move through to the contract details and declaration. It is a mandatory requirement that organisations complete and return this signed declaration with your submission. Please do read through the declaration, making sure that you fully understand everything that's in the declaration and you are happy to sign it. If you have any questions on the declaration or indeed any part of the application form, please use the clarification question process, which will be open until the date that it closes, which will be detailed in the invitation to tender documents. If you are happy to sign it, you will be asked to type a signature in here. It does note that electronic signature is acceptable. You'll date it and fill out the details below. Thank you very much. We hope that tutorial video was helpful.